Hi, I'm Helen and I'm a crochet designer. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work a variation on the tulip stitch. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. To begin, chain 4. This counts as the first treble crochet and chain 2. Work 1 treble crochet in the same stitch as the chain 4. Skip the next 2 stitches. Work 1 treble, chain 2, 1 treble in the next stitch. Repeat along the row. Skip the next 2 stitches. Work 1 treble, chain 2, 1 treble in the next stitch until 2 stitches remain. Skip the next stitch. Work 1 treble in the last stitch, changing to your selected flower head colour with the last yarn over of this stitch, ready to work the next row. Chain 2. Turn your work. Work 1 treble in the first stitch. Chain 2. Work 1 bubble in the chain 2 space from the previous row. Yarn over, pull through a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat this 3 more times in the same stitch. You will have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Chain 2. Repeat along the row, working 1 bubble in the last chain 2 space. When working the final bubble, change to your second contrasting colour with the last yarn over of this stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. Work 1 double crochet stitch through the middle of the last bubble stitch worked in the previous row. Pull this stitch tawl to create a V shape in the middle of the flower. Chain 2. Repeat along the row to the last bubble. Chain 1 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the last stitch of the row, changing back to mustard with the last yarn over. Chain 1. Turn your work. Work 1 half treble crochet stitch in the first stitch. Work 1 half treble crochet stitch in the first chain 1 space, trapping chain stitches from the previous 2 rows within this stitch. Work 1 half treble crochet stitch in the DC stitch from the previous row. Work 2 half treble crochet stitches in the chain 2 space, trapping chain stitches from the previous 2 rows within these stitches. Repeat along the row, working 1 half treble crochet in the last stitch. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, and we'd love to see your thoughts in the comments. See you for more videos soon. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to find a new project, book a workshop, or learn a new skill.